Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Gamestop stock once again. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for all of you who have dropped your stocks of interest in the comment section of this morning's video, right after the intro. All right, everybody, right off the bat, we have the SPY right now. It's trading sideways since yesterday. We haven't gone anywhere. We're still in that zone. I told y'all before that be very, very careful with this one. Again, we might see this thing trade in this tiny zone right here before it makes a decision. We still have about an hour left until the market opens. So again, we could always come back and retest that lows, right? But the buyers are doing their very best to hold the market up. And if that stands, then we might be in good shape to make a move back up here again. But just keep in mind that this drop is possible. So manage your risk accordingly. Now let's talk about stock of today, GameStop. All right. And GameStop right now, again, is squeezed overnight once again. It had a little scare yesterday, right over here, right? Because of some news with the Wall Street's Best Reddit page and problem with the axis and things like that. But as you can see right now, it's squeezing up even more. Short sellers who got in here are extremely mad. Short sellers who got in at these levels, who were very happy when we tanked overnight right here, when we tanked in the afternoon, are very, very pissed right now. So if this thing doesn't drop, like if this thing doesn't collapse all the way down to 300, and honestly, I don't think it will quite yet. What I think is this. I think we will drop all the way down to retest 400, right? Maybe once, maybe twice, right? And then we're going to see that squeeze. We're going to see that huge pop all the way up to 500. And then we're going to break towards the 600 level mark. This is not, it's not looking bad at all. And for all of you who are holding strong, that short squeeze would be legendary, all right? And if you look at it on the 4 hour, this is not looking bad at all. This short squeeze will happen. And I'm sure all of you knew that. Of course, I saw all of your polls. A lot of y'all thought that, a lot of y'all believe that we're going to go towards the $999.65, close to 1,000. Again, we're gonna tease that $1,000 mark. And honestly, I do agree with a lot of y'all. Like this is not looking good for short sellers at all. And again, if you're short, good luck. That's really all I gotta say about that. About GameStop and AMC. Let's see how AMC is doing right now. AMC is not doing too bad at all. It's really not. Like I said before, consolidation is a short seller's worst nightmare. It did close at $19 and currently it's at $16. When that momentum start flowing into GameStop and all of these stocks also start following the move, we can see a major surge in this one as well. And I explained to y'all the different levels where short sellers are. Right now we are up here, right? And it seems like as of right now, if the market was to open today, we would open at around $16. But then again, we have 1 hour left, okay? 1 hour left, and we still have all of these levels all the way up to like $34. These highs right there, short sellers to be squeezed at that level. And over here we have Mars, okay? So just keep that in mind as you are trading this thing. I'm not bearish on this hype at all, and I think this squeeze would definitely happen. Now, the next stock that I'm going to be talking about today, that one had some bullish news, like about in pre-market, and that stock is Palantir. And for all of you again who have been subscribing to the channel and who have been holding Palantir, right? I talked about Palantir yesterday about the opportunity over here to sell the top, right? And then if you bought the bottom over here at the close, you should be up substantially right now. This move is looking kind of weak. Again, we might see a retest of $40. I think we will. I wouldn't be surprised to see it, which could be a great buying opportunity as well. Because the one thing that I like about Palantir Speaking of the charts, technically about the chart, is this. If you look on the 4-hour time frame, right, I see a rising three method over here. And this is very bullish. And for all of you who are beginners who have no idea what I'm talking about, I'm gonna show you another example of a rising three method. All right. So again, given if I'm expecting it to not move that much. Like we're probably gonna open at the same price at around $41.60. But here's a rising three method right here for all of you who have never seen it. Here it is. Let me zoom out really quick, and there you go. This is what I'm talking about. The rising three method. And I've been talking about that when I've talked about Apple all the way to 140. And this is the aftermath of what happens. All right. So keep Palantir on your watch list. And for all of you who like the news, right, who really enjoy the news, well, there's some good news on this one. Palantir and Rio Tinto signed a multi-year enterprise partnership. All right. And that is going to fuel in this move right here. I'm not bearish on Palantir. I have not been bearish on Palantir at all since my very first video on it when we were at the bottom and I told y'all to catch the falling knife. All right, you catch the falling knife, then you hold for a while. I'm not selling anything for a very long time. All right, so buy the dips, and again, not financial advice. Not financial advice. But definitely keep buying the dips because I'm not bearish on this one. I think we could go a lot higher. Today we might see $46 today, and maybe even $50 on Friday. All right, that is my very honest opinion of those stocks. Now let's talk about more stocks. Let's talk about space and what's going on with space right now. Space had a huge move. Somebody asked me to cover this a while ago. We were right after this doji right there. All right, and I told y'all that to watch this thing for a long because of the island gap reversal over here, or the cup and handle, however you want to interpret it. Again, the outcome is still the same, and as you can see, it squeezed all the way up to $59 today. I think today we might move maybe to like $53 and then go sideways for a while. Yeah, we might go sideways for a while. It's looking very extended right now, so just expect this move from this range right here. This is where we will be trading at until earnings for a while. All right, now the next one that we're going to be talking about today, and I think it's very important that y'all keep your eyes on this sector as well. There was some bullish news that came out on RCL. Actually, it was yeah, I think it was RCL. Yeah, I think it was RCL. Yeah. One of their cruise line is like open up. One of them just opened up. I think it was. I'm pretty sure it was one of them. But either way, the main point is this. The main point is money is flooding in. All right, and we're bouncing from the lows. We're bouncing from the lows. The 4-hour chart looks good. The support right here is holding pretty well, right? So keep that one on your watch list. I like RCL. Worst case scenario, it kind of falls down here towards $68.64 within the next few days before we see a move up. Best case scenario, this level just holds all the way until like later on, and then it breaks out and goes towards $75 probably today. All right, I'm not bearish on the travel industry. Another stock that I wanted to address was UAL. And UAL is showing the same thing. Again, all of these stocks move together. So watch these ones for a long play. They have been heavily crushed for a while. And this one is about to open up at around like 50. I think it may drop just a little bit towards like $52. Just so that we can get that nice island gap reversal over here and trap some short sellers. All right. So again, that is my very honest opinion of those stocks. Again, once again, do not forget to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel grow faster and it allows more people to get this knowledge as well. And if you are new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens, and the post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul Nguma and at Patternology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter. Also, if you are brand new to the market, if you're looking to make some money in the market, I left some step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 through step 4. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 3 free stocks after signing up with Webull using my very first link in the description below, and 1 free stock after signing up with Robinhood using my second link in the description below as well. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video this afternoon. Do not get too greedy. Apply caution. Apply patience. And most importantly, for all of you who are holding GME, don't forget to pay yourself some. It's gonna run. It's gonna run. But then again, do not forget to pay yourself some money. All right? Enjoy the outro.